Sa aming agaw, eksena, hindi na makakasama ang kapusuhang na si Paolo Avellino sa cast ng remake ng Temptation Island. Gayong araw sana ang first day ng shooting nila para sa nasabing pelikula. Pero 2 days ago, nag-beg off na siya doon sa project dahil 1 linggo na confined sa ospital si Paolo dahil sa sakit ng pneumonia. At ang doktor nito mismo nagsabi na hindi pa kaya ng katawan nito magtrabaho. Kaya samantala, nasakap din namin ang Amaya co-star ni Marian Rivera na si Micael Daes na ang papalit kay Paolo. Yun, malinaw.
Okay. Pwede sana kami ni Ricky.
Oh.
Pero anyway, maraming salamat, Dr. Vicky Bello, Celeste Tubiera, and Susan Aquino of Symmetria, Dr. Evelyn San Luisa Flawless, Gold's Gym, and Mesa Tayon. At sa aming Sapul sa Paul, ang tanong, Holy Week na, anong plano nyo?
Ayan.
Ang nagsabi ng sa bahay, dahil tahimik, 52%, ang out of town, kasi masarap, 48%. Marami pa rin homebodies. Okay.
And
Ricky?
I would like to thank the following: Bizarre Aqua Best, Scramboy, Zagu, Waffle Time, Modern Design Furniture, AZR Furniture, Samsung Electronics Philippines, everyone's invited. Calling all batch 1986 graduates of Marshall or Nula Memorial School, MORMS, Ginabatan Lalbay. There will be an alumni homecoming on April 23 at NORMS Quadrangle. For particulars, you may call Mr. Glenn Salan or at cell phone number 0927-242-5438. Happy birthday to Yuri Velasquez and Edmond Velasquez, Regine Velasquez, Albert Martinez, happy birthday. And hi to Northern Samar Vice Governor Ram Uy, and welcome home Nancy Kanda and Sanbes.
And calling all alumni of St. Paul College, Bukawi Batch 93, you're invited to ang pagdadalaga ni Classmate, a reunion after 18 years. May 1, 2011, 4 p.m. at the St. Paul Igulot Gymnasium.
Ay, bukas, Mel and Joey. Eto na.
Ako pa po.
Ito na.
Thank you, Dr. Vicky Bello, Dr. Caparasin, Bello Medical Group, Metatine, Orange Philip UK, Flawless, and Bello Essentials, Krimadon, Bucalo Shoes, Lina Hair Fashion, Lawrence Loteri for Makeup, Dr. Haila Dizon Sas for My Dental Care, Dr. San Luis of Flawless, and Bong Lasso of Retaso for My Clothes. Happy viewing, Irene Razar, Grace Domingo, and Don Armando's Ihaw. Kalasyaw Pagkasinan. Get well soon.
May ihaw-ihaw ka pa
And
ngayon.
Lloyd Quintos, happy birthday tomorrow. Again,
Lars Santiago, happy birthday.
Valley Concepcion, thank you. At ito na siya.
Ang lola ni Amaya.
Maraming
Lola
salamat
Nebaya.
kay Dr. Pisomar Chandro ng Vision City, ay kay Governor Erle Villaperte ng Kamsur, kay Pinco Tubiano, happy birthday ulit kay Floyd Quintos, Arlene Tulibas, Lars Santiago, Marisa Flores Riquilo, Shalani Solidad, at kay Mayor Enrico Roque, Roland and Ola Espiritu ng Mitatayon, Erning Lim ng Ultra Mega Supermarket, George Cruz ng Apasionado, Pauline Luna, Rene Garcia ng Renew Placenta, Happy Toothpaste, Jasper Chun at Sheila ng Champion, Richard Chet, Susan Chua ng Regent Food Tour, Jenny Lynn Mercado, Sabong Ikari, Bambi Pempes, Bizarre Bong Lasso, Doktora Vicky Bello, Rubico Yuto, Flores, Joey Santos, House of Budget, Doktora Evelyn San Luis, Mga Peli de la Cruz, Mayor Enrico Roque, Jenny Napoles, Boy Abunda, Mama Bing Perez, Weng Jamaji, Sandans at Pitch Chua ng Quick Melt, Jao Pajaro, Pinky Tubiano, BJ Floresca, JC Bendia.
Mainit na happenings at different sightings. Amin ng pagkakawalan. Dito sa Rampage!
Unang rampa, Johnson's Presco Play Grassroots Activation at Damayan Covered Court Urbano Velasco Avenue, Barangay Pinagbuhatan, Pasig City. Secondly, Promel Preschool I Shine Talent Camp sa SM Mall of Asia with Kyla. Thirdly, rampa tayo for the Samsung Smart TV launch at Crown Plaza Grand Ballroom Hall. Then go for Pans Flawless, the unbeaten white experience held at Fayama 32 Bel Air, Makati City. Rampa rin tayo sa isang letrong liwanag, the Solar Bulb Project of Meralco sa Baseco Compound, Manila. And Venus is back with the beautiful hair at Emphasis Salon, Rockwell, Makati with Venus Ra. Di rin tayo papahuli for Heatwave Summer Bazaar featuring Oge and Regent Celebrity Okay yesterday sa World Trade Center. Gumawa tayo for the All-Star Kapuso Fun Run last Sunday at the Seaside Boulevard SM Mall of Asia na dinagsa ng ilang kapuso. Last destination natin, Joel Cross Thanksgiving Dinner Post-Event for 1 at 11 concert at the Pearl Hotel.
Rampage, the end!
Patuloy na walang limutan!
Fun Run sa SM Mall of Asia, Stargazing Marathon. Fun Run for charity and the environment ito, kaya very much present si Richard Gutierrez and fitness buff Isa Calzado.
Right, we are running for the environment and of course, lahat ng mga Kapuso Stars na makakasama natin today. I think, if I'm not mistaken, we have about 5,000 runners today.
Yung proceeds ito will go straight to Kapuso Foundation and may branch na ngayon yung Kapuso Foundation, Kapuso ng Kalikasan. So, it will be supporting mga water systems, pati mga tree planting events na mangyayari nationwide with different schools. So, maraming mga mapupuntahan yung proceeds. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga Kapuso natin na dumalo dito sa Kapuso Fun Run. Hindi po itong huling beses na gagawin ko to. Next time, I'm gonna run 10K. So, sana samahan nyo naman po ako.
Clock check.
Narinig mo ang latest showbiz issue straight from the stars.